Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials that actually move the needle. Pick one or two long-tail keywords and build a video around them. Once chosen, insert the primary keyword in the first 60 characters of your title and within the first 150 characters of your description. Make sure to add relevant tags and a concise pinned comment. Also enable captions and set a custom thumbnail that clearly displays the hook. These steps increase discoverability and click-through rate almost immediately. You now refine how viewers and the algorithm read your content. Structure each video with a strong intro, clear value segments, and a call to action. Add chapters so watch time climbs. Once done, craft 250+ word descriptions using LSI and related phrases. Include timestamps and repeat the primary keyword naturally. Make playlists that group intent, set end screens to relevant videos, and test thumbnails. These execution details improve session duration, and you finish by measuring and iterating. Check CTR, average view duration, and audience retention to identify drop-offs. If performance lags, /B test thumbnails and titles, then optimize the first 15 seconds to hook viewers. Make sure to update metadata and add new tags or chapters. If a video still underperforms, consider unlisting, editing, and republishing with a stronger thumbnail and revised description. This single troubleshooting move often recovers traffic and improves future ranking signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.